What's up, CloudLife? It's Cash Flow Nexus, the best channel on the crypto space. Give you the latest and greatest updates on crypto and XRP. What's up, you guys? How you guys doing tonight? What's up, Jake? How we doing? What's up, Tario? What's up, Metal Art Sosa? How we doing? I appreciate you guys, coming and joining the live stream tonight. I appreciate you guys for real. Woo, man! Today has been a day. I almost died today. I'm gonna get into that in a little bit. I'm thankful that I didn't die, but it's so dumb how I almost died today, and it's practically my fault. But I'm so glad that y'all are here on this live stream with me tonight. Um, you guys, I do have another YouTube channel that I started as well, so feel free to subscribe to that, and also join the Discord group. We are growing in that Discord group. If you want to join the Discord group, check out the link in the description. And also, the second YouTube channel is going to be called Mr. Kumo, so check it out. I appreciate you guys, supporting my channel. I just hope y'all, support the other channel as well. I'm gonna be doing some stuff on there on the weekend, so y'all could see the other side of what I do in my life. But let me check out the comments. You said hot day here in Melbourne, Australia. Just moved, mowed the lawn. Man, it must have been real hot out there for you to be doing that. Let's see. You also said, did you get your dual screens hooked up? No, I haven't got that hooked up yet. I'm actually trying to figure out, because I just bought a new mouse today, and I also bought a keypad, a keypad, mouse pad and keyboard pad today. Sadly, I can't even use my keyboard pad and my mouse pad properly because I realized that I did have an extra USB port for my computer, so I said, "Dang!" So I pretty much bought it for nothing. So it pretty much lights up in the dark while I'm doing the live stream, so I really can't show y'all. Well, y'all wouldn't be able to see the features, but it's all good. For now, I'm gonna just use it as is. Until I get another port or figure that part out. But getting to the point that y'all want to hear how I almost died. So I was making my nieces and my nephew a pizza. I put on the stove, the oven. And the funny thing is, when I was going to to the stove, I put the pizza in and everything. So I was drinking water really fast because usually I just drink water and knock it back real fast. But this time I drank it too fast, and all the water got stuck right there in my throat, and I was just choking on it. And I was literally turning. I could feel my eyes feeling like it was about to pop, and it felt like my head was about to explode too. So it was funny because my niece and nephews, they got real quiet because they were playing the game in the living room, and they got real quiet. They're like, "Are you okay?" And they stopped playing the game. I could hear them stopping to playing the game, and then it got to the point where they're like, they were starting to come to the kitchen, and I was trying to speak words, but when you're choking, you can't really speak. So I was telling them, yeah, I'm good. Trying to get those words out, coughing it out. But you guys, I have never choked on water ever. Not like that, and it was funny because the way it happened. But I don't, to me it's funny. It might not be funny to y'all, but to me it was funny because the way it happened. But I'm thankful that I didn't choke to the point where I died because it really felt pretty bad choking like that. But anyway, that's just a story that I wanted to share today. Another thing, I've been out with my brother-in-law the whole day pretty much. It was crazy because we were supposed to be out for like an hour, but we ended up being out for like more than an hour. We ended up being out for like 4, 5 hours, and I was like, damn, time went by pretty fast today. I'm like, okay. But we went to Best Buy. We went to a place called Micro Center, where they sell computer parts and just technology stuff. So when I was there, we were there, man. It's like a playground for like tech nerds. If you guys are like a tech nerd and you live in Texas, Uh, Micro Center is definitely a place where you want to go to get your stuff. I'm not sponsored by them or nothing, but that's where I plan on getting my computer parts when I build a PC. Cause I want to build a PC that's for gaming. This computer is not strong enough for that. So when I get a computer built, I might just give this away or something. I don't know. More likely, I'm gonna give this away or use this as a monitor for something else. I don't know yet, but time will tell. But I'm getting excited again. That place had me, giddy for building a PC in the future. I think I'm gonna get a water cooled one, build a water cooled PC. Those are kind of pricey, but they're worth it. They last a long time. Anybody that knows about building PCs or anything, but yeah, it that's something that I do plan on doing in the future. Jake, it was very serious, man, very serious. Yeah, that choking was not. I didn't expect to choke that bad. What's up, Steven? How we doing, man? God bless you for being on the live stream. How was your weekend, y'all? How did y'all enjoy y'all's weekend? My weekend consisted of pretty much, if you guys seen the new Discord group, y'all understand that I put a lot of effort and a lot of work into that Discord group. I stayed up until 2:32 a.m. building that Discord group, and I got it done in one day. I made a bot for. I created a bot for it. I also separated everything and did some programming for that. It took a lot of work. I'm not gonna lie, and I was actually frustrated. When I get frustrated, man, it's not a good thing. But I did a lot of work for that Discord group. So if you guys are in the Discord group and you're enjoying it, yeah, you guys are going to really like that Discord, y'all. It's looking good. I have day trading in there, crypto talk, news, and gaming. Was playing Among Us with some of the people in the Discord group. So if you guys want to play games, play chess, play Among Us, or have any gaming ideas, let me know. Join the Discord. It's about I'm adding some more elements to it. Yeah, the Discord's free. I combined it with students and people that aren't students, so it's all in one spot. I even have an invisible group where only students could see the invisible sections, and then I have it where everybody else could see everything. That's students have full access to the group, the Discord, and then everybody else that just wants to join for free, they could join for free. So if you want to get the full access to the Discord group, then that's gonna be something else. Uh, I am gonna do membership for it if you wanted to get like extra perks. But for the Discord group is going to be free, but in the future it's going to be like for extra perks like shout outs or something small, you know, like then I'll do some different access that you could get different access to different parts of the Discord, but it's free for anybody. Anybody could join the Discord. Your grandma, your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your girlfriend, boyfriend. I don't care. Anybody could join it. So we were playing Among Us this weekend. uh, I had some pretty good rounds on the game, but man, we had a smart group, y'all. I'm not used to playing on mobile. Mobile is kind of hard to move. I like to play on PC, so if you guys play on PC, let me know. Even though the PC version costs like $5, I prefer the PC version just because, it's easier to moving the moving the keys is way different than on a mobile phone. Let's see, Robbie, what's up, man? God bless you, man. I saw your I was looking at your Instagram, man. I saw your Instagram where y'all were praising and blessing the Lord's name. I love that, man. I like that video that you posted in your Instagram. That was pretty dope, man. Let's see, but other than that, you guys, I my weekend was busy. I didn't get to chill like I wanted to. Uh, I ended up working a little bit overtime, and then this week I'm trying to start. Trying to. I know I'm not gonna get it done this week, but I could hope. But I'm trying to get my new course out, so I could get that done. But I got a lot of stuff that I've been working on and trying to get done. The new Discord group is fire. The course that I'm writing is fire. Uh, the new YouTube channel that I have that I'm starting is going to be fire. So if you guys want to check out that new YouTube channel, I'm gonna just put out videos on probably the weekends. It's gonna be a gaming channel. So if y'all got like gaming, that's gonna be the channel for you guys. Let's see. Let's see, Jarvis, how you doing, man? You said you asked. Oh, how about that snapshot? Yeah, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Y'all can. Y'all are more like y'all free to do it if y'all want to, but I'm not doing it. I'm not about that life. I don't want to do the snapshot. And the Lord didn't even tell me about it. So if He did say nothing about it, then I'm not doing it. But I don't feel comfortable doing it. Maybe others do, but just for now, I don't feel comfortable doing it. That's just me personally. If you have any other things or insight, let me know. Maybe I might pray about it on, just to get another perspective from the Lord and go from there. But me, I'm not participating in it. Let's see. You said thanks, brother. God is good. Yes, God is definitely good. And y'all's prayer, y'all's worship and praise for the Lord was amazing. I love that. I love that so much. I saw that. That's what I don't know if you saw me like your video, but man, I like that video on your Instagram page. It was awesome, man. Definitely love. I love to see stuff like that. How many of y'all play chess? Do any of y'all play chess at all? I would like to know. If y'all play chess at all, let me know. I am trying to. I am trying to. Like I said, I am trying to bring gaming into the mix for my Discord group. So if y'all play chess at all, I was gonna have like a chess tournament. If y'all are interested in a chess tournament, uh, you know, winner gets like maybe like 100 XRP or something simple. Just to make the community start growing. And also people like I had an idea how to use XRP more. So it'd be like maybe like 20 XRP to enter into the tournament, and then winner gets like 100 to 500 XRP. So even though that's not like a lot, it's still worth playing and competing, and playing chess, or any other game that you have an idea about. Maybe have like a Super Smash Brother tournament. If any of y'all play Super Smash Brothers, we could have like a Super Smash Brother tournament, and winner would get some XRP, something like that. You guys, like, y'all let me know. I would definitely like to make that happen and have some fun with that. I think everybody would get excited about something like that. And then you could also invite some friends and stuff. Jeff, you said you play. Cool, man. I'll keep that on the. I'll keep that on my radar. I just played. I was playing chess for the first time in like 12. Wait, no. The first time in like 4, 5 months. I haven't played chess in a long time. I still got it, but I'm not as good as I thought. I haven't played in a long time, so I'm definitely getting my chess back. So on my new channel, you'll be seeing some chess games. I might play against subscribers, or just members in the Discord group. Doesn't matter either way. I'm gonna have fun, and then also what else? What else? You guys, I'm just excited. I got a lot of things planned for this year coming. So you guys just be watching and tuning in. If you guys like stuff like that, yeah, you definitely want to be a part of this Discord group. I'm not even lying. But let's see. Looking at the charts. Oh, I'm sorry. There's a car outside. I heard somebody almost crashed outside. I heard some screeching. But anyway, looking at the charts, man, it's a little rough for the market right now, and the market's about to get back into equilibrium on the daily chart. So I'm expecting some move to happen soon for XRP. I don't know if it's bullish yet, But to me, right now, it's looking bearish for this market still. I still have this market potentially falling down to 34 cents, especially, you know, since the RCI here. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me, y'all. Man, like I said, I have not slept in like the last 4 days, 3 days. Been so busy trying to get everything done. But let me go ahead and jump into some analysis. But what I was saying here, I don't like this on the RCI for XRP. This is the main trend. Even though the overall trend is bullish, the main trend right now currently is bearish, and we're entering bearish territory by crossing the zero level on this purple line here. So I am going to be cautious about, buying XRP right now. Even though right now it is showing a sign of buying pressure, price action might help, and then we might get a bounce off the zero level. But right now it's still hard to say. I can't really call it too much yet, just because um, with this type of market, you never know what you're gonna get or expect here. So I'm gonna be cautious in this area. I might wait for this daily candle to close, or maybe I might just ride it and see what happens here. But I want to really monitor that 4 hour chart, because that's where I see some action going on. So my student Discord group, if y'all are my students, y'all know that I called a short here. So right now it's going down like I anticipated. It actually might come back up here and start ranging. The reason why you don't want to really jump in yet, the key June, let me show you guys. The key June's still flat. So this is suggesting that anything could still happen in the market. The sequence span B and A's both flat here. So this was something that I'm also, cautious of. But sequence span is free here. So right now is an interesting place. Where I would start looking for a short opportunity, really, for a longer, a really good position, is once we break this zone here, and that's zones between 48 cents 468 and 48 cents 773. So if we could break down at this level, then I'll look for a short here. But I did call a short for my students here, so they're pretty much in, they're not in like deep profit. From that down the lowest point to there, that was like 8% up, but right now they're probably like 4.28% up right now. So if it manages to hold here and then pushes lower, then I'm still expecting the market to collapse to the downside. I want to wait for this one because there's a lot of things that could happen here. I did say for my students that these are the targets that I have if this market breaks this zone here, which is pretty good, for if you're shorting this market, because that's about roughly the last position here. I still think it'll come down to 34 cents, but if it does reach down to there, that's going to be a 45.83% move. So if that happens, that's 45.83% profit right there. All right. So I'm trying to see what's going to happen here. I expect the market to go lower. If you guys are still bullish on XRP, let me know. I'm talking about like the current market. I'm not talking about overall, because overall it's bullish overall, but I'm talking about like for what's to come, like the meantime, the short term. Like I'm bearish for now, but are you guys bullish or bearish for this short term market? Let me know in the comments. I want to see what your thoughts are on that, you guys. You said daily looks like it closed below the span B. I'll look at it again just to make sure. What's up, Antonio Espinosa? How you doing? Good evening to you as well. God bless you. Thank you for being on the stream. You said the daily looks like it closed below span B. Yeah, the last daily candle did, but this current candle's trying to push up. If you're looking at this, yes, you're correct. But let me go ahead and look at that 4 hour time frame again. Waiting for this market is tough, but right now, if you're looking here, like this is where the market gets interesting, because we could easily come back into this red zone. So I could extend this out, and I'm gonna take this off. Take that off for a second. Like you could obviously tell that this market is in a very obvious range right now. This is very obvious, this range. But the only thing is about this range here, you know, it needs to break outside this range for it to make its move. Right now, the market is showing signs of wanting to potentially go up, but here's the thing. We have a zone that we're in currently right now, right here. So if we could hold this zone, like if I'm when I talk about holding this zone, like if we could hold here and say if price doesn't break above this white zone, more than likely what's gonna happen here is that the price is gonna come down to this level, and potentially, from here it could either go up or break through here. If it breaks through here, then we'll get something like this, and then if we get something like that, I'm expecting lower levels like this. So that's what I'm expecting in this market right now. It's looking weak to me, y'all. It is not looking strong at all. Um, Let me show y'all here. Even with the cloud, it's interesting as well, because here, if you're looking at just the cloud itself, say we take this off, we do have this flat level here, which is resistance right now currently, which is why you see the market acting the way it is. Span A is angling up and span B is flat here, so we could potentially have a bullish golden cross right here. But that's a lot of cloud for this to cover through here. I want to see how price is going to respond in this area. That's why I have this zone marked up. I want to see how price is definitely going to respond in here, and I actually should make this zone smaller, about right in here. Yeah, so looking at this zone, I'm expecting something to happen here. We're going to get our move here. We're either going to go short from here, or we're going to come through this level, this zone, and then move up. Like I said, taking this off, we break through this white zone. This is where you would take your trade. Get like 5% right there if it goes all the way up, or at least 3% right here at the top or the bottom of this red zone here. So that's what I'm seeing. I want to be patient because these crypto markets have been very outrageous lately. A lot of day traders, or a lot of people that are new and beginning into their day trading, have had a lot of they had a lot of very unsuccessful moments in this market because their patience level is not there. Um, and if you don't have patience in this market, it's gonna eat you alive every single time. And I always tell my students every single time, you need to wait. If you are not waiting, you are going to get destroyed in this market. I can't sugarcoat it. The market will destroy you if you're not patient and you don't wait for the right signal or the right moment. And you got to wait for the candles to tell you as well. So right now we could get some. Actually, we might actually start moving to the downside based off this one candle off the 1 hour chart. This is going to be a shooting star. If it closes just like that, that's a gravestone doji. If it closes as a gravestone doji, this market is going to fall from here. So if I were you guys, I would wait for this hour candle to close. It has 33 minutes for it to close. I would wait for that hour candle to close just to see how it's going to perform. Uh, because you never know what the market's going to do until you wait until that candle closes. Do not enter the market too early just because you feel some type of way. Wait till it gives you the signal, like right in here. Because this is like, let me explain like this candle right here, what happened. A lot of buyers enter this market right here because you see how it pushed up. You had this dragonfly doji, and you see this signaled buyers to enter, and the buyers pushed in right here. So a lot of people bought in on this candle, right? And this is what happens when you're not patient. So a lot of buyers bought in right here. They took this all the way up here. But here's what happened, because this is how slick the market makers are. They end up knocking out all the buyers right here on this one candle, and they turned it into a shooting star candle. And look, they pushed the market down. So this is why it's good to understand how to read candles, and also have the patience to wait on the candle to close. If you don't wait on the candle to close, you'll get something like this. And sometimes you'll never know, what the market's gonna do until it finishes, and boom, that's what happened. It turned into a shooting star, pushed the market lower. Then you had a bullish engulfing, and then the market went up. Now we're back at this zone here. So right now the best bet is to wait for this current 1 hour candle to close. See if it closes bullish or bearish. You also might want to wait for that second hour candle to close and see how it responds here, and then take that either down or up. So it's gonna be a waiting game right now, you guys. I wouldn't jump in just yet. This market is ridiculous. All right. Man, you guys have no idea how tired I am. I'm going to be sleeping good tonight. Like, probably right after I finish this live stream, I'm going to sleep early, wake up early, and get my day started again. But, man, y'all, I did not sleep this weekend. I did not sleep at all this weekend. I was working even on the weekend. And I usually don't, but I said I had to get this done. You know, I had to get the Discord done. I had to get my second channel started. What's up, Thomas? How we doing? I had to get a lot of stuff done this weekend, so you know, I'm still answering messages too. So I said, man, I need to hire somebody. So, you know, it's all good. Everything works the way it does for a reason. But I'm just excited for what's to come, you guys. I'm excited. I am not going to hide that fact. But anyway, I'd rather wait for this candle to close and see what happens from here. Alright, so let's do this. Let's go ahead and turn off that. Ooh, oh my god. Y'all don't know how sleepy I am. I'm gonna sleep super good tonight. Real good tonight. Let me go with the next crypto. We're gonna take a look at Bitcoin, see what's going on with Bitcoin. I had told my students about this yesterday. I told them it was actually around in here. We had a Chiku span breakout. I told them to buy right here. And, you know, I said, watch this white line here. I said, if it breaks above here, we're going to get into that red zone. So this was, if you guys are my students in the student section of the Discord group, they know that they should have bought Bitcoin right here. All right. Even span A and span B are both pointing up. So this is a good opportunity to buy Bitcoin off the 4-hour chart. Like I said, you want to wait for that candle to close. It has an hour of 29 minutes. What's this 4-hour candle closes? If it closes bullish like this, I would buy some XRP at this level. It looks pretty good to go higher. Kijun's even pointed up. Span A and B is pointed up. Volume just increased, so this is a good level to buy some Bitcoin for you Bitcoin traders out there. And if we were taking this, looking at the market like this, you could see that this zone held up pretty, you know, once market broke through this zone here, you could see that clearly it pushed up higher, held here as support. Let me show you guys. Held here about support, then you see it managed to push higher. So yeah, I'm expecting this market to go higher right now for Bitcoin. I don't like Bitcoin, but I'm not going to front on it. If I see something good, I'm going to call it. If I see something bad, I'm going to say something. So right now I see something good for Bitcoin, and right now it's a winning situation for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is a buy right now for these. I don't know how long. Let me see. Yeah, this is good. Ooh, this is gonna be a good buy. Yeah, if I were you guys, I would buy Bitcoin probably now. Okay, the reason why oh my god, so many good reasons. Span A and B are both angled up for one. Kijun and Tinkerson are angling up together too. Not just that, they're both angling up together. When you see that they're angling up together, that's a good opportunity. I actually might take that trade now. Let me actually do that. Yeah, I'm gonna put that trade in now for Bitcoin and see what happens, because I like that. I like this setup. For this particular one, I'm not even gonna wait for the candle to close, because I see that this market momentum's strong, just based off the Kijun and Tinkerson together. But you know, sometimes you got to learn when to deviate from your rules and when not to. But this case, I'm going to break them. It's looking good to me. Let's see. So I have a new broker that I'm testing out as well. I'm seeing if I like them or not. So far, I don't know if I like them or not. So far, actually, I do like them just because their spreads are so small. But, you know, with smaller spreads, you gotta, you know, really know what you're doing as well. So let me do that. So let's go ahead and hit a buy in there. Dang. Hold on. How much? Okay. So, okay. Yeah, I'm really trying to test this broker out and see what it's all about. Hopefully it's not bad. Hopefully they're a good broker. And let me try this too. I'm gonna test out another thing in here as well. Bits. It's called Bits. That's weird. So this broker they call Bitcoin Bits, which is weird. I don't know if I like that or not. Apparently I came in. Okay, so they won't let me trade on that one. Let me see. Nope, not even that one either. Alright, so I'm gonna just use the regular Bitcoin profile and just let it go. So right now it's just -6 because I had to pay for the spread, and we'll see how it goes from there. But right now I like this. I like the opportunity on Bitcoin. I think it's gonna go higher. Right now, the way if it keeps moving like this, I might have it coming back to up in this area here. So this is where I have the overall target for Bitcoin right there. All right, so we'll see how fast it moves and see what it does. I like it so far. Um, yeah, I like this opportunity here, and you see it's going up now. So we'll see how this how it looks later, but I have it coming at least up to here. If it doesn't, then it might make it halfway through or just at the top, the very bottom of this box. But it is gonna get to this red zone. It is gonna get there for sure, from what I'm seeing. And then you got this strong cloud here. It's gonna get there. It's just a matter of time. All right, so that's what I have for Bitcoin. Let me take a look at Ethereum. You know what? I'm not even gonna front. Ethereum's looking good too. Like, what happened? This market just changed all of a sudden. XRP doesn't look like this at all. XRP is looking weak, while Ethereum and Bitcoin are looking pretty strong, which is strange. You got, yeah, the same exact thing for Ethereum. These are both angling up, angling up, angling up. I would buy here as well. I just don't know what the next zone is here. I did draw up that zone. If anything, I would see the market coming up to these lines, but I want to see. Let me do this real quick. Let me draw up a zone for you guys really fast. Right in here. Probably right here is where I would look at the market going to. So let's go ahead and hit that buy right there. That'll at least get you 1%. But if you're trading with the Forex broker, that 1% means a lot. Yeah, 1% on a Forex broker is a ton. Some of you guys know this. If y'all trade on a Forex broker. What's up, Ronnie? How you doing, man? Hope you're doing well. You missed class yesterday. Yeah, yeah, we did a live trading session yesterday for class. Sundays are live trading sessions where we look for trades and we take them. Um, Tuesday, Thursday, we just learn. All right, but yeah, I appreciate you being on here, Ronnie. Uh, if you guys, like I said, I'm going through some of these pretty quickly today. There's not a lot on the market right now, but if you guys have requests, I'll take some requests now. I'll take a few requests today, just because you said Tuesday. My bad. No, you're good. You're good, man. But yeah, if y'all have any requests, I'll take y'all's requests now. I'm not gonna be on here too long, just because I need to catch some Z's today. I need some sleep today. I have not slept like I told y'all earlier. Also, this Ethereum is a good buy right now because the volume's also increasing on the 1 hour time frame as well. But you guys are more than welcome to take that buy opportunity if y'all want to. So far, when I'm seeing a buy on Ethereum, a buy on Bitcoin, XRP, there's no buy sign signal on XRP just yet, which is very strange. XRP looks like it wants to dump some more, which is very strange. It usually follows these two, but yeah, I see a buying opportunity on Ethereum and Bitcoin right now. So, you guys, if y'all want to take that, you could take that if you want. So, let's see. All right, let me go ahead and look at that. Let me check that out real quick. Okay, so you want me to look at Anchor, or whatever it's called. XLM, got you. What's up, TY? How you doing? Just subscribe, just got fam down for some Z's. Nice. Okay, I appreciate you being on here, man. Got you, man. Got you. So let me go ahead and look at that one. I'll look at XLM first because it's on this uh, site. So we'll see. Let me go ahead and do this. Yeah, XLM looks pretty. It's looking pretty strong, minus this area here. I need to actually put it here. Yeah, put that there. Alright, so this one's pretty much marked up. But anyway, like I was saying, XLM is looking pretty decent. The only problem I have with XLM is it's not breaking. Actually, hold on a second. Yeah, it's just ranging between here, but the only thing that I don't like here is this current candle. It needs to close. This current daily candle needs to close as is. If it doesn't close like this, then we might see lower prices. But right now, the daily chart is actually going to dictate what's going to happen with XLM. We are above the Kijun and the Tinkinson, so we are in bullish territory despite this cloud getting lopsided. So there's a few things here that I do like here. I don't like. I do actually. It's a do and don't situation here. When it comes to the red and blue line, this is good because the market is back in equilibrium right here. So this is a good sign, but this is going to be a bearish cross if they do decide to cross one another. And that's why I like it, but I don't. For a long position, like if you're trying to buy some, this is not, this could potentially not be good here. Even though it'll be a weak signal because it's over the top, if it breaks down a little bit, look how weak this cloud is. It could easily, break through it and go lower. So that's what I do see. 4-hour time frame. We have a Chiku span breakout right here, which is looking, pretty nice. And then right here is also crossing above the zero. So we got the RCI is also telling us to buy right here, right now, actually, for XLM. You know what? The market might do a sneaky pump tomorrow, which is weird. Because I did not get any signs of that this weekend, which is very interesting. But the market is showing some signs of a pump right now for XLM. We have a Chiku span breakout right here. And then price is also going up right now. Only thing I don't like is that the Chiku span A and B are both flat. But the volume is increasing here. The volume is increasing here on the 4-hour chart. So I would, depending on how this 4-hour candle closes, if it closes just like this right now, if it closes in the next hour, 17 minutes, if it closes like this current candle, I would buy some XLM, but the live stream is not going to last a whole hour, 17 minutes. I'll be gone by then. But if I were you, if you guys are interested in getting some more XLM, I would advise you to watch the 4-hour time frame. Watch how this candle closes. If it closes like this, or bullish, take that opportunity, buy some more right here, because I am liking this on the 4-hour. Daily is questionable, but the daily has a long time. So actually, this daily is actually growing. Yeah, you know what? I might take that back. The daily's actually growing. So yeah, this is looking good for your buy right now. And then we're also about to get a bullish cross here. Volume just increased. We're about to have a Chiku span breakout on the 1 hour chart. Let me see what RCI is. RCI is bullish or getting bullish. So, yep, I would buy here if I were you guys for, and you could probably buy in the next 16 minutes. If I were you guys, I'd probably buy right here, based off the 1 hour chart, because I always try to look for a clean entry. Let me see. And then yeah, we have a Chiku span breakout right there. So this will be a good opportunity to buy right here for XLM. So if you want to buy XLM right now at this very moment, make sure you first of all, it's not financial advice, but this is where I would buy right here. And it's up to you to make that decision if you want to capitalize on that or not. So that's what I see for XLM. So next one is Anchor. Let's go ahead and look at that. Let's take a peek at it. Let's take a look. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. We were wrong about this run, so I'll take that L on this one. Let's see. It did go up, but it never went higher, which is sad. Let's see. Let me go actually to the daily chart. Let me clean this up as well. So I do like something here on this. I saw this instantly. I just wanted to make sure. Let me take this off real quick so y'all can see that. So, every day this is starting to, crazy how this gets easier and easier. So I'm about to explain each moment right here in a second. Market is obviously making some lower highs or higher lows, I mean. So we have the low here, we have a high here, then we have a higher low, then a higher high, then a higher low, then right here we have a higher high, then we have a higher low right here. So more than likely the market is going to make a higher high or get close to it. So this is where I would look for buying opportunities right here for your anchor. I don't even know if I even said it right, but right here is where I would look for buys for this market. I would have this going up. I don't see signs of this wanting to push down right now. Let me see. I need to draw the zones here for this one. So right there is a zone. I might actually make this lighter. So let's go yellow. Yeah, about right there. So yeah, this is where I have the market going to. This is what the market's looking good. I like how this looks here because the market is making higher lows and then making higher highs as well. If anything, what I see this market doing, I see this market pushing back up to here, just because the market is looking pretty good right now. Now we do have some minor levels that we need to be cautious of. Talk about like right in here, but let's see how the market fares first. I would like to see the market get back in here, and if it could break above, and I'm actually gonna color code this. I'm actually gonna make this like, let's say red. So if we get into this red zone here, once we break into this red zone, actually yeah, I'm gonna do this right there. If we get into this white zone, let me make it white. So if we get into this white zone, and say we break this white zone, more than likely we're gonna go up. If we come, like, here's another scenario. If we come back to this white zone and we fail to break here, more than likely we're going to come back down to test at this level. And then we're either going to break through here or move back higher and make a higher high from this point. And if that's the case, This is how you see the market before it happens, right in here. Let me think. Would that be it? This could potentially be the market right here. So we'll see. I like to, get a visual on the market before it happens. You always want to create these scenarios before they happen. Once you get a better perspective on what the market's going to do, then that's when you want to see if it's going to play out according to what you map the market out doing. This you got to understand. Looking at these charts is like a game of chess. This is why people are not successful day trading, because they don't know how to play chess in the markets. If you know how to play chess on the charts, then you'll be, pretty good. But if you're just looking at the charts and you're not mapping out particular moves in your mind and seeing what the market makers could do, or if you could see or like see ahead, that's when you shoot yourself in the foot and you take losses. Now, here's what the bearish scenario of this, because we could definitely come lower as well if we do break this trend line. I'm going to make this one red now because this would be a little cleaner. So if we do break this trend line, what I would have, the market will come through here, and we'll probably see the market stall right here. What will either happen, it'll come through back up to this level, or it'll break through this level here. But more than likely it may come here. If it holds at the bottom, then it's more likely going to come down to this level here. All right, that's how you map out the market before it happens, so you got to get an idea. So that's what I see right now so far for this market. It is looking interesting for Anchor, but we'll see. So my niece just walked into my room. Hey Victoria, what's up?
So
What?
I want to tell them that your keyboard changed colors fast.
Oh, my keyboard changes color. So she's saying my keyboard changes colors fast. I got a new Logitech keyboard. It's the RGB3. I said RGB3. RGB keyboard, and it glows. And she was talking about how it glows pretty fast. So that's my niece. All right.
I used to do this when I was a baby.
You did, and it was funny.
It's fast. Like...
All right. So that being said, let me see. If y'all have another request, let me know. All right, you about to go to sleep? All right.
Yes.
Night night.
Night night.
See you in the morning.
See you in the morning. Make sure you wake up.
All right, I will. That's so funny.
I wanted to tell you that I wasn't feeling good, so that's why I stayed home.
Oh, okay. All right, night night.
Good night.
That's so funny. So she's being funny right now, but she was telling me to make sure I wake up so I could take her to school. Pretty much. Let me see. Oh yeah, you're welcome, Thomas. Let's see. And Ronnie, yes, always look for 2 moves ahead. You gotta look for at least 2 moves, man. You gotta have 2 bullish scenarios and 2 bearish scenarios. If you have at least 2 scenarios or 4, you'll be good. Corey Bailey, what's up? How you doing? I just seen your name pop up. Let's see. Did you Okay, I'm gonna ask that question later. Let's see. Oh yeah, so do you guys have another request at all? I'm going through these pretty quickly today. Some of these are pretty easy to really see happening. It doesn't take a genius to see some of these moves. Yeah, so if you have a request right now, give it to me. I will take those requests, because these markets are looking pretty looking pretty good right now. So for XRP right now, it's pretty much ranging, and I don't see XRP going up for right now, just because the chart is not showing signs of it going up. Like XLM is looking good. So in the next 6 minutes, you could buy XLM or you could buy it right now. But it's weird. Let me go back to XRP for you. I don't see why like XRP is looking weak for some reason. Like versus all the other coins or all the other cryptocurrencies, XRP is the only one that's looking weak for some reason, which is strange. Don't know why. Like even here, it's looking weak on the 15. So I just find it strange. I don't know why, but everything like XLM looks like a buy, Bitcoin looks like a buy, Ethereum looks like a buy. Just XRP doesn't look like a buy to me right now. I don't know why though. This is very strange. It's showing opposite signs of XLM. That'd be interesting if XRP was the one that was leading the market now. But if you guys have any other requests, let me know. I'll take your requests now. I will take your requests now. Let's see. You said hopefully just keeping it quiet until they flip the switch. LOL. Might be, because right now it don't look like it wants to do anything. So I don't know. That's gonna be an interesting one. You said makes sense when you say manipulation. Oh yeah, you guys. If anything, XRP is the most manipulated out of all the cryptos. I was watching one of Kevin Cage's videos. He even said something about manipulation. So I don't remember which video it was, but it was recent. Like it's obvious at this point that XRP is manipulated. Like if you deny it and you don't think so, you're slow or you're just delusional, because it is very manipulated. So you said so it's probably market manipulation on XRP. Yeah, most likely, which means that it'll probably pump out of nowhere when we least expect it. So that's also a possibility too, because it's the only one that I'm looking at right now that looks like it wants to go down, and all the other ones want to go up. From just based off the analysis that I'm seeing, which is crazy because usually they all move in sync, but XRP is moving on its own from what it looks like. You said look at YFI. Of course, let's take a look at YFI. One of my students actually bought some YFI, and he made a lot of money off of some YFI. I said, man, I actually it was right here where I had told him to buy, right in here. Yeah, so one of my students, and I could actually send you the screenshots of it. He might not want me to show you the screenshots, but if he gives me permission, I'll send it. But I told him to buy right in here. How much profit is he up right now? Because he was leverage trading this, so he like really maximized it. I think he was using, I don't know what leverage he was using, but it was high. So yeah, if he was just using like a 1 times multiplier, he will only be up like 4.46%, but he's up. So look at here. Let me see if I could notice any patterns or anything. Let me knock this. Oh, wait. All right, so here we go. We got some zoning right here. Actually, I don't like that. Let me zoom in here, see. Okay, this one's good here. This is a good zone. Yeah, okay, so this is a good zone here. So right now, we'll at least, this is right now it is a buy. I'm not going to even front. But how far? At least up to here. For now. If it manages to break this, actually, I try not to keep the colors the same. I want to always make the colors as different as possible. So, especially when I'm doing zones and from zone to zone. So if it breaks through this green zone here, then we could expect the market to go higher to the next levels, which will be up here around this area. Yeah, around this area. And I'm gonna make, so what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna make this white. There we go. So yeah, we have some zones that we could play. So here's the scenario. It is getting up in here, so I'm gonna keep that. That's gonna be on here. We're at least gonna get to the green zone. Just don't know how deep into it, or if we just touch it and go, or touch and go through. If we manage to get past the green zone, then I have price coming to this white zone afterwards. But right now, I have it coming up for at least 1.96%, and then after that, we'll see from there. But looks like it's wanting to go up strong. With 56 minutes until this candle closes, we'll see what the next candle holds for us. I'm gonna say that it has a good chance of reaching this white zone. That's what I'm gonna go to, which would bring us to the 27,000 to 28,000 range. Well, let me rephrase that: 27,798 to 2,000 28,000 range. So there we go. And looking here at the daily chart, overall on the daily chart, I have it coming at least up to here for at least 25%. So short term here, but longer term, we'll see. But this is the longer term that I have it. There we go. So we'll come back to this one probably over the next couple of days and see how this is really looking. The market always likes to make its move unexpectedly, so we'll see in the next few days. All right. Let's see. There we go. Any other requests tonight? I will take your request. I will take y'all's requests right now. Let me see. You said that makes me want to sell my XRP and put it all in XLM, then convert back to XRP, goes down and XLM is way up. LOL, I know. You'll tell me not to. Yeah, of course, I'm going to definitely tell you not to do that because, David Schwartz said it, when it happens, it's going to happen fast. So I don't want you to miss out on being in at a cheap price and then say it jumps to like $1, you missed out on all that you did have. So it's better to have some XRP at a cheap price and just hold it and just dollar cost average in. That's your best bet if you want to play it safe. If you want to make money, then I advise you to learn how to day trade. But if you want to like make money, sure money, dollar cost average in and just hold. All right, so that's I do both. So I haven't dollar cost averaged in for a while, because I mainly day trade it, but I'm pretty fine with what I have for now. You said I was actually thinking of pulling some out the other day to day trade. In the meantime, yeah, if you're gonna do that, I won't advise against it, but make sure you're being smart when you're day trading, because XRP day trading is not like normal day trading. XRP day trading is like a nightmare if you're not, observant of what to look for. I'm gonna just say that now. This XRP market is a monster. All right, let me see. Any other requests? I'll take some more requests. Let's shoot them my way, y'all. But I'm trying to think of a good story time for you guys. Y'all could hit me with those Q&As too. I hate y'all. I'll answer a Q&A. But Man, I'm trying to think of a good story to tell y'all right now. Oh yeah, so oh yeah, I remember when I told y'all I was gonna go on a date this weekend. Man, it never happened. Man, I was so disappointed. I said, okay, you know, I don't like my love life sucks, y'all. I'm like a hopeless romantic dude. But no, you said all right, cat. All right, catch you, cash. I'm out. All right, man. Take it easy, man. God bless. Appreciate you. You said is Algo up on, to anything? Let's see. Let's take a look at Algo. Yeah, let's take a look at Algo. Algo, Algo, Algo. Let's see. Hmm. So last time I looked at Algo, this was the buying position here. Let's see. Yeah, this. Let me see. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start with the daily chart. All right, so I'm gonna start this fresh. All right, so actually, you know what? Better yet, the weekly chart, just so we could get a better perspective on this market. All right, so there is a zone here. Right there. So here's the zone for the weekly chart. I'm debating if I want to put. Yeah, I'll do that. I'm gonna see what it looks like on the lower time frames first. Damn, it's an ugly zone, but okay. So far, yes, this is the zone according to the weekly chart. You know what? You know, if this daily candle breaks outside here, which more likely it will. So let me go to the 4 hour. Oh, I guess it's not visible there. Let me see. All right, there we go. Let's go to 1 hour first. So we're breaking out right now, which is a good sign. If anything, Algo looks like a good buy. Yeah, Algo looks like a buying opportunity right now. What you want to wait for, I will put the cloud on and see once this blue line angles up, that's when you want to buy in on Algo. If it doesn't angle up, don't buy on Algo. Otherwise, you'll be wasting your a position out on this. But it's looking good for a buy right now. Volume just entered in on Algo too. See that? Y'all see right here? Algo volume just increased, so this is looking pretty good for a good buy right now. RCI saying as well buy. The long term line is just crossing above the zero threshold. The purple line is going into the positive 80 threshold, so this is looking like a good buy here. The only thing I would wait for is for the Kijinsen to angle up, span A to angle up and B to angle up, and this is good to go. Oh my god, this is gonna be a good one if you catch this. Let's see. So really, right here. So your buy entry would be here at 32 cents, 283. Your stop loss, I would put it down here. Stop loss at 31,734. All right, so that's what I see here. Green is stop loss. I mean, no, green is entry, red is stop loss. So if you could see those numbers, you could punch those in. But that's what I see for Algo right now. Algo looks pretty good for a buy opportunity. Let's see the weekly chart again. Yeah, and also if you're looking at this as a zone, say this weekly candle closes bullish like this. We got 5 days really. So if it closes like this, yeah, we'll definitely see prices move up. Now where to? I don't know, but we'll see the market definitely move up from here. Let's see right here. in daily. I just don't like the daily chart. It don't look pretty, but it is showing signs that it does want to move higher. And then the 4 hour also shows signs that it wants to move higher as well. But definitely make sure you watch this level. Oh, excuse me. Y'all, I'm gonna sleep so good tonight. I know it. So that's what I have for algo. All right. So you said, "What's up, Bad Skidoo?" You said, "I'm late. What happened? XRP $1 tomorrow." No. XRP is showing signs of wanting to drop more. That's only XRP is looking like it wants to drop. Now, Bitcoin and Ethereum XLM and some others are looking like they're buying opportunities right now, but XRP is the only one that looks bearish, which is crazy. So we'll see. Like I said, XRP is the most manipulated. They might make it look like a short position right now, but I'm betting you if it is going up, it's because it's gonna go up overnight and they're gonna change how it looks in the morning. You'll see probably green if that's the case. If everything is going up right now and XRP looks like it wants to go down, more than likely they're manipulating it right now to where it looks like it's going to be a buying opportunity later in the night. So probably around 2 in the morning or maybe 3 in the morning. That's when you'll see the market make its real decision when we're all asleep, really. So, and I'm definitely not gonna stay up for that. That's I just wake up and happen to be a part of that. So we'll see. Now, if the Lord wakes me up and He says buy it, then I'm definitely gonna buy it. Let's see. All right, let me see. Any other requests? You said XRP 40 cent, 45 cent. Fill your bags if you lucky. Man, at these prices, that's still a steal. Oh yeah, let me check something real quick, cause my brother-in-law actually told me about this stock he was gonna invest in, but he didn't invest in it. Dang, dude, he would have been sitting really good. I feel so sad. Let me go to that weekly chart. So my brother-in-law was telling me about this. He said he missed his opportunity. Man, he's gonna cry. So he was telling me when he man, that's crazy. I feel so bad. I might not even tell him. So my brother-in-law, when we went out to Best Buy and to Micro Center today to buy some computer parts and stuff, he was telling me that he was gonna get on this stock when it was around $2, and I'm looking at it now. It's now like 90 something dollars, $94. Dude, I feel so bad that he did get in on this stock. He said it was like a $2.14. Like, this is where he would have bought in. Actually, this is no. He said he did buy in, but he said he took that money out because he wanted to buy my sister a gift. I said, bruh. I said I would have told my sister. She could understand. She don't have to, bruh. Man, wait a minute. Had he not got that gift, dude, I'm gonna have to tell him about this. That was a 4,306% return right there. Man, well, you miss out, man. But that would have been a good entry too. That's actually a really good entry because according to the chart, Ichimoku, right here you had your tweezer bottom, and then you see that bullish engulfing, and then another bullish engulfing, and then we had a Chiku span bounce right here as well. So this was a great opportunity. Dang, I'm gonna have to tell him about this one later. He's gonna be upset. But anyway, if y'all have any more requests, I'm gonna take 2 more requests and then I'm going to get off the stream. Let me know about y'all's requests. Any requests? Any requests? Anything? Let me know. I got you guys. If y'all have anything that y'all want me to analyze. All right. I guess there's no more requests tonight. I don't see any more requests. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and end this stream. I appreciate you guys for jumping on here with me tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed this live stream. Continue to really enjoy the market while it lasts. No one knows what's going to happen. Everybody's expecting bullish momentum. Everybody's expecting a lot of different things. There's some people that are really negative about the market. There's some people that are extremely positive about the market. Me, I just look at the market as for what it is. Just a place where you can make money whenever. But you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this live stream. God bless every single person that watched. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys are new to this channel, like what you heard and saw, definitely subscribe. Join the Discord group if you're not already in the Discord group. We're gonna be doing some. It's about crypto, faith, cryptos, and gaming. If you guys are into gaming, well, we played Among Us this Saturday. So if you guys want to catch a game of Among Us or chess, let me know. You guys, I am definitely going to bring some gaming content on my new YouTube channel as well. Subscribe to that as well if you haven't. And also join the Discord group as well. I hope you guys enjoyed once again. God bless you guys. And I will see you guys in the next stream. All right. God bless and peace.